I've done here, I've slowly been working away, just bleeding the pump through with just CRC penetrate, you know, use whatever you bloody want. But with the throttle open here, I'll try and jam that in there a little bit better. With the throttle wide open, the stopper off, you should be able to turn it by hand and get it to pop out through here. And you can just see it pops out the back there. There's little it pops out the back one a bit better for some reason. So, but you can see it comes out that port there, it's popping out that port. So now we'll just pull the stopper. That should stop altogether. There we go, nothing. So no movement there at all. Now we'll put the stopper back into the run position. There we go. And that's just turning it with an Allen key out the other end. So look, that's going to be the end for this little video. Yeah, that little pump there, it started off as a, look, it was a piece of junk really. I've worked through it, I've worked on every little part of it to try and bring it back to life, and look, I think I've done that. Time will tell, I suppose. The next test for this pump will be to put it on my John Deere 1640. Now, my John Deere 1640, the pump's just leaking everywhere, but because I use it so often, I didn't want to pull it apart and have it apart for ages, you know, if something went wrong. So now I have a pump that I believe will run the tractor properly. I think it's pretty well back to standard settings wherever it was, and I'm going to, over the next week or two, couple of weeks, I'm going to try and get this pump onto my tractor and we'll give it a run. But for now, that's the John Deere 1640 injection pump done.